Hi, in this video I am bringing everything together. The grid that I made from sandpaper, the glass that I break in smaller pieces to make sea glass. I want you to remember this yellow glass to see what happens to it. I searched for a long time for different colors of glass, green, brown, clear, a lot of it available, but different colors like blue and red and yellow, I couldn't find any of those. So when I found this yellow glass, I was really proud of myself. So I can't wait to see how it would look after I have tumbled it. This is 13mm pebbles that I got out of a riverbed, and I'm using it to help grind the glass. The grit that I added is normal sandpaper, 60 grit, to see what is the difference between the two drums, one with and one without a grit. I let it tumble for 1 week, so let's see. Drum on the right side is the one with the 60 grit sandpaper, and the left one is just a normal one, rocks and glass. I'm not a professional rock tumbler. I have built this machine to change things shapes, and in this case glass that don't cut me. One day when I'm big, maybe I will be able to polish this glass so that it looks like this when it is dry. I'm going to let this glass dry so that we can see if there is a difference. The video of making the grit from sandpaper with my laser cutter will be at the end, and there is shorts about breaking the glass also. Go and watch it. The only thing that I could really see was there was a difference between the left and the right. Right is with the grit. The one with the grit is definitely a little bit smoother than the left side with only the rocks or pebbles. What do you think? Can I use normal sandpaper for grit? And if I am using finer grit, will it be able to polish this glass? Something that I will want to test for the future. The question is that you see it. In the beginning, I asked you to look out for the yellow glass, and you will see there's no yellow glass. For some reason, my yellow glass disappeared totally. Not one piece left, not even a small part. What do you think happened to my glass? Ish. If you want to see more videos, remember to subscribe and follow me.